Hello, my name is Jason Stoneham. I'm the CEO and founder of Straight and Narrow Drinks. I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce the company and give you an overview of our exciting range of 0% non-alcoholic premium spirits. The grocery no and low market is worth £217 million and is growing fast at plus 51% year on year. This excludes online hospitality and direct to consumer, which is a further opportunity. My dream and ambition has always been to develop a dynamic, profitable business from concept all the way through to launch. I founded Straight and Narrow Drinks during the lockdown. I noticed my alcohol consumption had increased, so decided to go on the Straight and Narrow for 46 days. I quickly realised that there was a limited choice of great tasting, affordable products on the market. 3 years ago, I recognised the potential of the low and no alcohol drinks market, and I set about helping a couple of startups developing their own brands and launching major supermarket own label non-alcoholic spirits for both Asda and Aldi. Apart from the key events like Sober October and Dry January, it is estimated that over 4 million people will have taken part in Dry January 2021. Reduced alcohol consumption is fast becoming a lifestyle choice and the norm, with 24.4% of the population which buy into no and low alcohol and set to rise. A third of 18 to 24-year-olds describe themselves as non-drinkers, and 47% of UK adults are looking to cut back on their alcohol intake. Research has also shown that consumers are put off by the expensive retail prices and have difficulty finding products on shelf. These are the key issues we're addressing. Taste, making non-alcoholic liquids for well-known alcohol versions. Price, with a retail of £15, we offer great value for money, no need to be more expensive. And finally the design, standout design with a distinctive bottle for maximum shelf impact. Our plan is to produce and distribute 0% non-alcoholic spirits. Currently have 3 product offerings. All the products have natural colours and flavours and are also low in calories. Firstly, Straight and Narrow, a full portfolio of recognisable, great tasting products offering exceptional value for money. With a premium full design with a distinctive straight and narrow bottle shape. Initially we'll be launching with a range of 6 products ready for Dry January. With a recommended retail of £15, this is much cheaper than most of the other premium brands. Next year we plan on introducing the rest of the range. Secondly, we have One for the Road brand, which is targeted at the discount market with a recommended retail of £9.99. And thirdly, we're able to produce customer-owned label products for restaurant, pub chains and retail customers. Giving back is key to our core values. We achieve this by supporting charitable partners, supporting charitable fundraising events and donating 5% of our gross profits to good causes. For example, Cure Leukemia have introduced a summer barbecue fundraising campaign, which includes Straight and Narrow as a partner. A summer barbecue supplement, including an introduction to Straight and Narrow Drinks, was included in a number of regional newspapers reaching 250,000 potential consumers, in addition to their social media posts. I welcome you to be part of the team by investing in Straight and Narrow Drinks. That way we can feel good inside and out every time we raise a glass. Cheers!